In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user feedback form in Notion. We'll start by creating a place to collect responses. Open a page in Notion and add a new database. You can choose a table, a list, or a board. Any of these will work, but a table is usually the easiest to review at a glance. Name your database user feedback, so it's clear what lives here. A descriptive title makes it easy to find later and helps teammates instantly understand the purpose. Next, let's set up the properties that will power the form fields. Add a property for name or email. If you want people to leave an email address, use the email type. Otherwise, the text type gives you flexibility for a name or handle. Create a property called feedback type and make it a select field. Add a few clear options like bug, feature request, or general comment, so submissions are simple to categorize later. Add a property called feedback details and set it to a long text field. This is where people can explain what they experienced or what they're hoping to see. Finally, add a property for rating or NPS. You can use a number field if you prefer a 1 to 10 scale, or a select field with labels like detractor, passive, and promoter, whatever best matches how you plan to measure satisfaction. With the database ready, it's time to generate the form. Open the Database View menu, choose Add View, and select Form. Notion will automatically build a basic form from the properties you just set up, saving you time and ensuring everything maps correctly back into your database. Click into the form to customize it. Change the form title to something friendly and clear. Add a short description that tells people what kind of feedback you are looking for. And customize the submit button text and color to match your brand tone. Keep the language simple and encouraging so contributors feel comfortable sharing honest input. If your audience is broad, consider brief prompts in the description like what happened or what would improve this, to guide thoughtful responses without overwhelming people. When you are happy with the layout and copy, it's time to share. Click the Share button in the top right of the page. Toggle Share to Web on and copy the link. You can paste this link into your website, Help Center, emails, or community posts. Keep in mind that anything submitted through the form will appear as new entries in your user feedback database, neatly organized by the properties you set. That's it, your Notion user feedback form is live and ready to collect insights. Thanks for watching.